to add a clickable video banner to your Shopify website. Like this, as you can see, when I click on it, it will redirect me to the specific location I have. So how do you do it? Hello everybody, welcome. Today we're going to be looking into how you can add a clickable video banner to your Shopify website Dawn theme using 3 different methods. So there are currently 3 methods through which you can add a clickable video banner. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you, this is a raw website. Let's call it raw because we don't have any clickable banner. We actually, matter of fact, don't have any banner. If you refresh, click on save. I have deleted mine. I just showed you. Let's say we don't have any banner. All right. So this is your website right now. You want to add a clickable banner, a video that in loops and shows amazing things. So the first method is using built-in Shopify default video. The way you can add it is very straight. Just to click on section, and then when you're here, search video. After you search video, this is the one you click on it. It will be added. There we go. Now we have the video. So the problem is with that, yes, you can definitely add a text. Let's say text, or let's say my video, and then you can see the heading size. You can put it small, large, whatever you want to put it, and then you can select the video. Let's say I select this video, done, and then we have our embedded video, whatever you want to put, YouTube link. You can put a cover page, whatever you want to do. Got a bit of settings, but anyway, you have this. We could scroll all the way up. Let's click on this. No, this one. Click on this, go all the way up. This is my video, the title. The problem, it seems that it's not going to be in loop unless someone click on it. So if I click on save, if we go back to my site, click refresh, and then we have, this is the website. And look, it's not playing. It's not in a loop. You have to manually click on it. It's like embedded video. That's literally what it is. So it would be just embedded, not automatically playing the video. You have to manually click on it, and you know that customers not, going to click out sometime. If it's already playing, people are going to watch it, people are going to like it. So yeah, this is the using built-in method, which doesn't work. Nobody used that much. Good feature, but it's not if you want to increase your, visitors, CRO or stuff like that. Anyway, so that is the first method you can use to do it. And the second method, let me delete that, click on save. And the second method we have is using the custom manual coded. Now, keep in mind, when you're using custom coded manual coding, it costs a lot because every time there is a Shopify Dawn theme update, your code needs to be updated as well, because otherwise your video is not going to be playable. There is going to be bugs. There's going to be problems. So it's not going to work, literally. So you have to update every time there is a Shopify Dawn theme update. So make sure you do, if you get a manual coding, you will need developer to working on that. And now, the most easiest method. This method is using Viddy Clickable Video Banner app. This is the most easiest and most affordable. Personally, I find it. Most of my friends and their, people in there connected, or those who use Shopify for their businesses, use this one. It's super duper easy. Let me show you how you can do it. I'm using Dawn theme. Keep in mind, this is for the Dawn. So what you have to do is first go to Shopify App Store and search for Viddy. Viddy. Search that and click on search Viddy Clickable Video Banner app. Click on that. Now you have to log in, and then click on open. And then come here, search Viddy, click on the app. And here you have to enable the app first. So click on enable and then click on customize. Again, I'm using Dawn version. So yeah, this is for Dawn version Shopify. And when you're on this page, you have to do is click on add section. Go to the apps and click on clickable video banner. After you click on it, click on that. Now select desktop video banner. First thing first, you can hold this up and put all the way up, just in case you can see what's it look like if you put it in front of the website. That's what you're gonna do. So click on desktop video banner. Now I have my video uploaded. So if you want, you can upload your video directly. So yeah, for me, I have this one. Click on this. Now I have the video ready. So yeah. Now you tell me, wasn't that easy? Because compared to adding the video, sizing, getting the link embedded, getting custom codes to make sure it's aligned, looping, it's super easy. Look, just added it and directly it's on your site. Then again, you have the we have a bunch of settings. You can go through it. First thing first, mobile video banner. Those of you working specifically for mobile audience that do that too, click on the select video, and we have the video version too. So for the ratio, you can just get the video that one for the desktop, 9 by 16 by 16 by 9. So for now, 916, click on it. So that is my mobile version, by the way. And then we have video banner size. Now, this is very important because most of the time when you add it, sometimes video is not aligned. It's way too big, small. So if you want to make sure that it's aligned within the frame of your site, you can choose small, medium, large. For now, I put adaptive side. For instance, if I click on medium, it's going to convert itself into medium. Without any coding, by the way, keep in mind. And you don't even need to update every time there's a Shopify Dawn theme update. It's going to work every time. So we click on adaptive video because that's what I like personally. But if you like something, you can do that too. Yeah, then video banner link. This is the very important. This is the reason we're here. We'll be able to click on it along with the video. So for the link, you can copy and paste any link you want. But personally, I'm just going to do insights because if you have pages inside your website, you want to redirect customers to the specific page within your site. I can go product, any of those things. So I'm going to go the 3P fulfilled snowboard. So click on that. When they click on it, I want them. I expect them to go on that site. So that's what I want to redirect my traffic. So after I click on that, putting that, and then you have custom CSS box layout. If you want to put custom, you're most welcome to do that, but I think it's not necessarily, but it's an optional box layout as well. So after you're done, you can go back. So yep, yeah. Now if you go click on save, now we go back. This is our site. It has nothing right now. Let's refresh it. 1, 2, 3, and within a few minutes we have it. Look. This is our site. This is our front page. If you want to put, most of the time is the front page. I like to use it, or people use it. But if you have personalized, you can do it in any site you want. So right now I can click on it. You can see that my mouse cursor. If I click on this, it will redirect me to the 3P fulfilled snowboard easily. Look, it's working. If it was manual coding with the Shopify update, I won't be able to do that. I have to update it every time it goes. So yeah, you can just redirect it, add any link you want, and just not within your site. You can do it outside the website as well. So let me show you, why do you actually need a video banner? You may have, why do I need this? Because if videos can help you boost your conversion rate. If you look at the big brands, let me show you the multi-billion trillion dollars brand. If you look at DR, I don't have to explain who they are. Look, they have the video banner within their website. So we know DR is one of the most expensive items people love, they want to get it. So when you go to their website, look, they have a video banner itself. Videos like this, banners can help you to boost your conversion rate, and also help you to provide a clear understanding of product and instilling more confidence and to make sure they purchase, to increase the purchase amount, conversion rate, along with make the product clear to the customers. This is the best. Most of these big brands are using the video banner. All you have to do right now is install Viddy. All you have to do is click on video clickable banner, linking down below in description in the comments, as well as in video description. Click on it and go download and install Viddy today. Make life much easier without any hassle. You don't have to update the codes. You don't have to have a dev team. Super duper easy. And as you can see, big brands like Dior and everybody that using a video clickable banner, hopefully your conversion rates goes up, as well as your sales also high. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you comment down below what you think about this, and if you need any kind of help, or if you have any questions, please comment down below. Let us know what you think about it, and any kind of other type of help, anything like that, or including the video banner. If you want to do customize a bit more, whatever you have questions, comment down below. We are always at your service to help and provide you all the information. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.